Dobby, Tello or Fairy, which flies further? Let's get started with the Zerotech Dobby pocket selfie drone using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The Dobby lost connection at 73 meters. It's great that the Dobby automatically returned to home on lost connection. My phone supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so let's use the Dobby app to switch the Wi-Fi to 5 GHz. This time the Dobby lost connection at 132 meters. Now let's try the Ryze Tello, the fun safe drone using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. When the Tello lost connection, it hovered, waiting for me to get closer and reconnect Wi-Fi. The Tello doesn't have GPS, so I used Google Maps to work out that it flew approximately 72 meters. The Tello doesn't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so now let's test the Sim2 Fairy air camera drone using 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The Fairy landed on lost connection. I should add that it did return to home on another test, so maybe it just needs a software update. The Fairy lost connection at 26 meters. It flew 47 meters on a second test. The Fairy supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so let's use the app to switch Wi-Fi to 5 GHz. This time the Fairy lost connection at 155 meters. I found the Tello just past the second light pole. Now let's find the Fairy drone. It's really surprising how far 155 meters is. It took off at the end where you can see the third light pole. Let's walk back and we can check the scorecard at the same time. The Dobby was exceptional at a distance of 132 meters. Tello did a great job at 72 meters. The Fairy excelled with a distance of 155 meters. The big surprise for me is that 5 GHz Wi-Fi will double the drone's flight range. Please like or comment. Thank you for watching and have a great day.